Sure. Here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone focusing on the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A73, keeping it under 500 words and structured around features, exterior, and conclusion. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the brand new Samsung Galaxy A73, the 2025 edition. Samsung is pushing its mid-range game to new levels, and this phone is proof. Let us break it down and see what makes it stand out in a crowded market. Starting with the features, the Galaxy A73 is powered by an upgraded Snapdragon chipset that brings smooth performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just scrolling through your socials. Samsung has bumped up the RAM and storage options as well, giving you enough power and space to handle whatever you throw at it. The software is clean and optimized, running the latest One UI version on top of Android, offering great customization and fluid transitions. The camera setup is one of the main highlights. The rear module features a high-resolution main sensor, backed by an ultra-wide and a macro lens. The results are sharp, vibrant, and surprisingly detailed even in low-light conditions. Samsung's image processing is doing a solid job here. On the front, the selfie camera captures clear and well-balanced shots, making it ideal for content creators or anyone who loves a good selfie. The display is where Samsung flexes its strength. You're getting a Super AMOLED Plus panel that's bright, colorful, and buttery smooth thanks to a high refresh rate. Whether you're watching videos or playing games, it looks absolutely stunning. The bezels are slim, and the punch-hole camera gives it a modern, premium look. Now let us talk about the exterior. The A73 has a sleek, minimal design with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and feels good in the hand. It's slim and lightweight, but still solid enough to feel durable. The camera bump is subtle and blends into the back panel, which gives it a more refined appearance. It comes in a few stylish colors that add a bit of personality without being too flashy. Battery life is another strong point. The A73 can easily last through a full day of heavy use. Fast charging support is included, so you can juice it up quickly and get back to whatever you're doing. There's also an under-display fingerprint sensor that works fast and reliably. In conclusion, the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A73 is a solid all-rounder that punches above its weight in the mid-range segment. From the vibrant display and powerful camera to the sleek design and dependable performance, it offers a lot for the price. If you're looking for a phone that balances power, style, and value without breaking the bank, this one deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest tech. Let me know if you'd like a version with voiceover style delivery or background music suggestions.